Welcome. My name is Dr. Kristiina Urb, and I am the Program Manager of the Master's Program in Creative Project Management. In this presentation, I will introduce a program designed for professionals who want to turn creative ideas into real-world impact and lead projects in today's rapidly changing culture and creative sectors. The Creative Project Management Master's Program is an international program designed for professionals working in culture and creative fields. It integrates creativity, entrepreneurship, and strategic management, providing a comprehensive skill set for leading complex initiatives. At the center of the program is the development of a real project, often based on the student's own idea, organization, or professional context. The program is specifically designed to support working professionals and connects academic knowledge directly with practical application. Creative industries increasingly require leaders who can transform ideas into viable projects, organizations, and sustainable initiatives. This program combines artistic vision with professional management skills and emphasizes practice-based learning rather than theory alone. Students gain a multidisciplinary and international perspective and develop the ability to navigate complex and rapidly changing environments. Because the program is delivered fully online, it allows professionals to study while continuing their careers and applying new knowledge immediately in their own context. The program follows a project-centered learning journey. Students develop one real project throughout their studies, typically based on their own idea or professional environment. They work through the full project life cycle, from initial concept and planning to implementation, design, and evaluation. All courses are interconnected and support the development of this project step by step. By the end of the program, students graduate with a concrete strategy and a well-developed implementation plan. Importantly, students are not required to implement this project during their studies. The goal is to develop it to a level that enables real-world implementation afterwards. The curriculum develops the key competencies needed for leading creative projects and organizations. Students explore topics such as creativity and self-development, global trends in culture and creative sectors, design thinking, entrepreneurship, marketing, project management, and strategic leadership in the digital era. Together, these areas form a coherent toolkit for managing complex projects and responding to contemporary challenges in the creative economy. The program emphasizes learning by doing. Students continuously develop their project while applying professional management tools in real contexts. They collaborate with multidisciplinary and international teams and receive ongoing feedback and mentorship. As a result, graduates leave the program not only with knowledge, but also with a concrete project strategy and a clear pathway for future implementation. Projects developed during the program span a wide range of creative fields. Students bring their own ideas, professional challenges, and ambitions into the program, which makes each project unique and highly relevant to the real-world context. Examples include innovation of art gallery formats, development of film production processes, documentary concepts, culture tourism initiatives, architecture and regional development projects, but also indie game development, inclusive stand-up comedy tours, and theater projects co-created with marginalized audiences. These projects demonstrate real societal and professional impact across different areas of creative economy. They range from digital and media initiatives to culture and social innovation, as well as broader development projects connecting creativity, economic, and regional growth. This diversity reflects the wide applicability of creative project management skills across sectors and professions. Teaching is provided by both academic researchers and experienced practitioners from the creative sector. Lecturers bring expertise from diverse fields and combine theoretical insight with practical knowledge of real-world challenges. This ensures that students develop both analytical understanding and professional competences. The learning environment is international, collaborative, and designed for working professionals. Students work with multicultural groups and cross-disciplinary teams, reflecting the realities of global creative industries. The flexible format supports participation alongside professional responsibilities and encourages independent initiative, reflection, and peer learning. During the program, students build an international professional network. They collaborate with practitioners and organizations, learn from peers with diverse backgrounds, and develop relationships that often continue beyond graduation. These connections can support future collaborations, career development, and entrepreneurial activities. Graduates work across the culture and creative economy in a wide variety of roles. Possible career paths include project manager or producer, founder of a creative enterprise, culture program manager, consultant, strategist, or team leader in creative organizations. The skills developed in the program are transferable across public, private, and non-profit sectors, as well as international context. After completing the program, graduates are able to lead complex creative projects from concept to completion. They can establish and manage creative initiatives, navigate uncertainty and change, and create meaningful impact in culture and creative sectors. These capabilities enable graduates to act as leaders, innovators, and change makers in their fields. In summary, the Creative Project Management Master's Program prepares professionals to transform creative ideas into sustainable projects and organizations. By combining creativity, entrepreneurship, and leadership, it supports the development of future leaders in the culture and creative industries. If you're motivated to shape the future of culture and creative sectors and to build projects that matter, this program offers the knowledge, skills, and network to support that journey. Thank you for your attention.